Look at the size of this pile, people. I can't throw it high enough anymore. It's too much. I'm not sure. Depending on the report, it's like 64 centimeters, 84 centimeters. Too many centimeters. It's a lot. Yeah, it's a mess out here. I've dug out the car, but it's pretty bad. After 2 hours, got about this much left. See a guy shoveling way over there. It's nothing but snow out here. Take a look out back, I guess. I blazed a trail through here earlier. Wasn't easy. Ryan barely made it. He was following behind. It's deep. Really deep. If you look at the roof of the house, you should probably get up there and shovel it. It's bad. This was the pool. It's buried. And there's the roof. It's crazy. Look at that mound in the middle. It's gotta be some kind of record. It's crazy. Try to plow through here. This was the back porch. See, you just saw Ryan's head pop by. Maybe it was Tamara. It's the barbecue. Forgot to bring that in. Alright, I think you get the point. It's March 7th, I believe. Somewhere in around there. A lot of snow.